Is your home currently being buried under a mountain of pet fur? It's March, shedding season is officially here, and that heavy vacuum cleaner just isn't cutting it anymore. If you're tired of wasting money on sticky lint rollers and still seeing fur on your black leggings, listen up. Today, we're revealing the 3 viral pet hair removers that will change your cleaning routine forever. First up, the undisputed heavyweight champion of furniture cleaning, the ChomChom Pet Hair Remover. This isn't your average lint roller. It uses a patented system of bristles to sweep hair into a built-in collection chamber. No sticky tape, no batteries, and 100% reusable. Watch how it lifts years of embedded fur from this fabric couch in seconds. Just empty the bin, and you're ready for the next round. But what about those deep-seated hairs in your carpets and rugs? That's where the UPROOT Cleaner Pro comes in. This powerful metal scraper pulls up hair that even the most expensive vacuums leave behind. It's oddly satisfying to watch, but be warned, don't use this on your delicate knits. It's strictly for durable surfaces like rugs, carpets, and heavy upholstery. Finally, for the detail-oriented pet owner, we have the Lilly Brush Mini Pet Hair Detailer. This compact rubber tool is the secret weapon for car seats, stair corners, and those annoying seams in your sofa. It gets into the tightest spaces where rollers can't reach. It's durable, portable, and perfect for keeping in your glove box. So, which one do you need? Use the ChomChom for your daily sofa sweep, the UPROOT for deep cleaning carpets, and the Lilly Brush for car detailing and corners. Together, they form the ultimate fur-fighting arsenal. Stop letting pet hair win the battle for your home. You can find the full review and direct shopping links for all 3 tools on our blog. Check out the link in the description below to reclaim your clean home today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more cleaning hacks.